Hey guys, welcome back. So I've got a package here from Park Seed. It is rather heavy. Let's open it and see what I ordered just a week ago, and it's here. It arrived last night. I am anxious to get this package opened. I'm going to put on the screen how many days it took from ordering to receiving my package. It actually may have only been more like 5 or 6 days. Let's have a peek. It's a heavy package. I remember why. So I had to spend so much to get free shipping, and they happen to have fertilizer on sale. So this was only $6.99 a bag. It's 4 pounds. Espoma Flower Tone. Here locally, I can probably get it $9.99 to $10.99 for the bag. But during my checkout, I had a coupon, so I also got an extra 20% off of the $7 price, so an extra $1.40 off per bag. So I thought that was a pretty good deal for Flower Tone. So I got 2. That helped me reach my free shipping goals. And also I needed some more seed houses, but I didn't need many at all. And I was able to order these green stock seed houses from Park Seed. Part of the free shipping, part of the 20% off as well. Something I actually needed, kinda. I don't know. We'll find out when I take them outside. And now we have some seeds to look at. So this was the bulk, I guess, of my order. There are a lot of hybrid tomato seeds in here, and those do actually kind of cost sometimes to get the hybrid seeds, but I was able to use the coupon to get an extra 20% off. One negative I have found with Park Seed is that there are no pictures on the seed packets, and I do wish, it's just a personal preference, I do really wish that there were pictures. But I'm going to put pictures from their website so you guys can see what they look like. So I ordered the Lemon Boy Plus. He has excellent disease resistance, and he has resistance to nematodes, root knot nematodes, and I need that this year for my tomatoes. I have grown regular Lemon Boy before, and I have a feeling I'm really going to like this Lemon Boy Plus. And we have something I really also needed for my nematode control. Actually, no, that's not, skip that. This is just a regular, pretty, light colored, like a creamy, light yellow marigold. I believe it's a French marigold. If I'm mistaken, I'll put it on the screen. There is another, there's a tear in that package. And it looks like I got the red lemon bicolor Pro-Cut sunflower. These Pro-Cut sunflowers do not have pollen on them, so they're great to bring in the house for bouquets. They're not going to make a big mess. So pretty. The only negative is that you have limited flower stalks compared to a regular sunflower that has multi-stems. And then we got Beefmaster. This is also a hybrid with excellent disease resistance. It's a red beefsteak, and he also has nematode resistance. And here's a picture. Here is another Pro-Cut. This is a plum colored sunflower. It looks so pretty. I knew I had to grow this one. And then we've got Gumdrop. This is a cherry tomato that is a hybrid, and it has excellent disease resistance. That is my theme for 2026 for tomatoes, disease resistance. So I got this Sunrise Orange. This is a Susie vine. It's not a Black-Eyed Susan vine, but it's just, so yes, it is a Black-Eyed Susan vine, Thunbergia. It is a great plant. I love this vine. It only gets about 5 to 6 feet tall. It comes in different colors. It looks like this one is all orange, I think. Let's put a picture here because I can't remember. I think I ordered another color, maybe not from this company, but I think I ordered the cream colored, which is one of my favorites for the Black-Eyed Susan vine. Excellent, excellent plant. One of my keepers in my garden. And we have another hybrid, Purple Boy, also excellent disease resistance. nematode control. Well, not nematode control, nematode resistant. It could still get it, it's just more resistant than other varieties I might grow in the garden. Verbena, and oh, okay, I know which one this is. I am out of tall verbena seeds, so I have ordered 2 different types of verbena. I think this one is more compact. If I'm mistaken, I'll put it on the screen here, but look at how gorgeous. I love tall verbena. It looks so beautiful swaying in the wind. It looks great in a cottage garden or with a mass planting of like coneflowers and other tall perennials. This is perennial in my zone also. And then we got another black-eyed Susan vine. This is the one that I said was a light cream colored or white. It says white-eyed Susie. This is one of my favorite colors. And I usually don't even like white flowers. But for this vine, it is just mesmerizing to look at that flower. It has a black center and just white cream colored petals. Maybe more of a white than cream all around. And it just kind of just draws your eye right to it. So, love that plant. That's a keeper. Black-eyed Susan vines, definite keeper in my garden. You should give it a try. It's an annual, but you can save the seeds, and it's very easy to grow. And it's a controllable vine, which is really important for my garden as well. I almost forgot to include this, guys. I ordered 2 bare root plants. They're going to ship separately, probably later. I'm not sure when, but I ordered a beautiful dark calla lily. And I also ordered this beautiful, gorgeous perennial geranium called Raven. Perennial geraniums are somewhat different from annual geraniums in that I keep them in my backyard and they're a real low part sun and they do phenomenal. I love those plants. You can divide them, they multiply. So I suspect I will be able to turn this one bare root down the road into many, many plants. That's all that I got, just 2 bags of fertilizer, which I kind of needed. A few more of the seed houses. There are 6 in here. I can show you what they look like real quick if I can untie. This is what they look like. They fit onto my green stock pockets, and you need 6 for each tier level. And they work great for seed germination, and also I use them to keep the squirrels out of those green stock pockets, as well as the Carolina wrens. I have a history of wrens trying to make bird nests in my green stalks, and this gives a little bit more of a deterrence, although I did see them out there the other day hopping around on my green stalk thinking about making a nest, even though I have some of these windows already in place. All right, well, that was my order, and I got all of these hybrids that I really needed, and I'm going to start them today. Today is the 27th of February, and that's kind of my deadline for getting my tomatoes started. So I'm at a good point. In next video, we are going to start those tomato seeds and get my grow station set up in the kitchen window, and we will be off to a great start for spring and summer.